favorite part from the air show. Lots of planes, lots of people, lots of cars, lots of sun. That is very tiny and that is very big. This plane is huge. This is very shiny. The shark plane has his mouth open. This is the gas station of the sky. Some planes are so old, and some are very new. This plane can land on water. Some of the planes are smoking red and white. Here you see red, look, smoke! This plane is not smoking, it is a new airplane. Loud noise from afterburners. You got to put some lotion if you get burned. So high all the way to the sun. So fast like a rocket. And so slow like an air balloon. Look at the controls. This is very cool. This plane has broken wings. When you fly upside down, you need to wear seatbelts. You can jump as high as an airplane.